Good morning, kindergarten friends. It's Wednesday. It is May 27th, I believe, today. I probably should check the calendar. And it's sunny outside. It's supposed to be warm today. And we are working really hard in week 10. So it was awesome to be with you yesterday on our Zoom call, Building Graphs. You did a really, really great job. I know we took some time, we stretched our brains out and we were thinking different things. And I am proud of you for staying the course and doing the hard work right now. We have 3 days left this week. You can do it. Sometimes I have to tell that to myself even. I can do it. And our kids here at my house, we have to say the same thing. We can do it. So let's get to it today. It's Wednesday. It is May 27th. If I were to look at my pattern, yesterday we talked about how it was blue, blue, red, and then what do you think today is? If we look back in everything else, if you guessed red, you're right, because there are 2 reds in a row. So today is a red day for a tulip on the 27th here of May. Then, if we count how many days smarter you are, I'm going to add one more, which gets us to 100, 6 groups of 10, so 160, 161, 162, 163, 164 days smarter. 164 days smarter. Then, our password is OFF, O-F-F. Get off me, off. We talked about that yesterday too. And our memory verse this week with the letter Y is from Matthew 5:14. You are the light of the world. You are the light of the world. You are the light of the world. Matthew 5:14. So that was kind of fun to kind of get it in your head. You know what's funny is that Caleb's older sisters even remember singing this one from kindergarten when they had it as a memory verse for them. So my whole house yesterday was at Matthew 5:14. So get it stuck in your head too. It's a good one to have trapped in there. Okay, calendar math, you're graphing the weather. I told you we've been graphing for a while. You're rolling your dice and you're graphing what number you're getting the most of. We're also collecting data on birthdays and teeth. And so even in your calendar math, you're doing a lot of math every day with graphing. So keep going on that. Also, don't forget to do your password today. OFF, get off me. It's Wednesday. Here is your handwriting for today. Because it is a little bit of a shorter week, I'm going to have you do the whole thing today, which I know it's a lot of pages again, but you can do it. Maybe you want to break it up too and do 2 pages and then do some of your other schoolwork today and then come back and do the other 2 pages or the last 3 pages separately. It's okay to break it up if your fingers are getting tired. So remember, you can do markers on these as well, but I want you to make sure you're staying in the lines and do a good job. Don't just race through it, please. Then yesterday I told you that was the last day of the flowers, but today is, so I'm sorry. This one though, you are gonna look at brush and bench, and you're gonna think about which words end with which digraph. So the digraphs aren't at the beginning, they are at the end of the words today. So like brush and bench. So you're going to cut them out and sort them. Feel free to write the digraph in the flower if that would help you as well. Then for math today, keep going on rocket math. I know that as the numbers get bigger, they get harder to remember the math facts. It's okay. Keep working, keep trying, keep practicing. Then your lesson today is 12:5, and this is going to be, they have built graphs for you, and so you are going to count how many are in each graph for each color, and then color the circle and write the number, and then which one is more or which one is less. And then on the back, you'll make your own again. So keep doing that one. Then your memory book, hopefully you started this yesterday. I'd like you to keep working on a couple more pages today for our writing. And remember, there's no right or wrong answers. It's what you think. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite subject? Who are your friends in our class? What's your favorite day of the week? So it's all about you. And then, like I told you yesterday, for our reading today, I am combining reading and science and writing all together. And I have this page for you called The Life Cycle of a Butterfly. And so we're gonna read it together, and then we're gonna fill in some information as we go today, because one of the things that we get to do in kindergarten is we get to study butterflies, but because we are in our classroom, it's gonna look a little different this year. So we're gonna do this. We have an activity for tomorrow, and then I have even a little art project. I already put mine together, but that is in your packet for this week too, is if you want to sneak that out and make one of those. So there's a little hint of what it looks like. So anyway, that is the plan for the day. When you come to our Zoom after lunch today, make sure that you've got this paper. You're going to need your pencil box as well, because we'll need some crayons or markers and a pencil too. So I can't wait to see you this afternoon, and I know that you'll work hard this morning. So keep up the great work. High five, high five, high five, high five, and I'll see you at our Zoom call.